Good morning, everyone. So this video is for Tuesday. Of course, this is Sunday the 8th, so that gives you a rough time frame of when this was recorded. As you can see, Windows 11 is updating up to version 120. I don't know if it came out earlier this week because I have not this particular virtual machine running. So, but I wanted to put this comment out here because someone had asked, when are we going to further demonstrate Windows 11? When we get into alpha testing mode. Then I will feel comfortable testing it with like Office, QuickBooks, and stuff like that to show you compatibilities or issues with Windows 11. Right now, as I've seen so far, they're just doing driver updates, software updates. Mostly the driver updates is what I've seen. So if you've got, a video card or a screen that was missing the drivers for Windows 11, they have, been going through and updating those, patching, doing little things in the background. This is why it's in beta test mode now. This is for beta testers who usually have, I don't want to say experimental hardware, but they have custom hardware. And this is for those people who report back to Microsoft, hey, we need this and we need that. So when this gets into alpha release, which will probably be in the next couple of weeks, then I will start doing software testing for you to see how it's going to work for you. Now, obviously, I have no idea what everyone's software there is, so I'll use Night Night, and I'll just demonstrate how to use Night Night again. I will use Night Night to get the basics. So we will get like Chrome. As you see, I've already got Chrome on here. It's working fine, but Chrome and Firefox and LibreOffice and stuff like that, and test them to make sure that they're going to work. I'm sure they will. We'll throw on Office just to see how that's going to function in Windows 11. I'll probably throw in QuickBooks. I think I've got an older version of QuickBooks with a key somewhere. I can throw that in and do a quick test on that, make sure that's going to work. But like I said, so far, everything, at least what I have tested, has tested fine with Windows 11. This is the bad thing with whenever they do these is, I don't want to say their pool is limited, but you're only dealing with, in the beta test mode where we're at now, there's only like, I would have to go and look at the numbers, but I think there's like 100,000 people who are in this test group. Of course, I was in the previous test group, and that was only like 50,000. So when we move into the alpha testing phase there, that will bump us up to, I think it is around about 500,000 computers for testing and stuff like that and feedback. And then when we move into the public preview after that, then it will be available just about to anyone who wants to intentionally download it and install it. Like I said, the idea of getting through alpha and beta testing is, we're getting rid of the hardware issues. Alpha testing is going to be, more software driven. Is it compatible with QuickBooks and Quicken? Is it going to work with Office? Is it network capable? And so on and so forth. Like I said, so far from everything I've seen, up to this point, it's worked well. How it's going to work on your individual PCs and laptops, we won't know until it actually installs, because, some of the older Dells and some of the older HP had customizable apps, and those apps may not be compatible with Windows 11. And of course, they're not going to go back in time and change those programs. Or spend a lot of time changing those programs to make them compatible. They'll just basically let you figure it out, or have you pay me to figure it out, and then, or they'll just blankly tell you go buy a new PC. So, but that's where we're at the moment. I know the biggest concern, and still is a concern, is those laptops and desktops that have TPM module 2.0s, which is the latest in security. But I'm using a virtual machine. I have turned off that module and forced it back to the 1.0, and it seems to be working at the moment. We shall see. So, yep, we're just waiting. Like I said, I thought I would throw this out there as a general update for Windows 11. until we move into alpha testing mode. Like I said, I really don't want to start doing the software testing, because why make it any harder than it needs to be? So, but that's the video for the week. Hopefully you found this interesting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and all that good stuff over there, because it really helps out. There's our service area, so if you do have a computer problem, give us a call. There's our number, or send us a text, and schedule a convenient time for you to come to us, or for us to come to you. We also have drop boxes available in Norwalk and Sandusky. Don't forget about that. Again, leave your comments in the comment section down below. You guys have a great day.